Okay, hi guys, welcome back to the Audio Levels channel and welcome back to an unboxing video. I don't do a lot of unboxing videos, but lots of people are asking for them. I'm not going to individually unbox products, I'm going to do multiples at the one time, and today we just so happen to have three sets of Fearless Audio earphones. We have the Barcelona, the Provence and the Shangri-la. So three earphones that a lot of people are going to be deciding between. I know not really a lot about these yet. I've not done the review, I've not unboxed them, not done any of that stuff. There will be a review over the next week, I think from the time this video goes out, maybe the next day. I'm going to try and upload the unboxing videos just a day or two before I start uploading the videos. Just so that it's relevant, and we'll start with the Barcelona and we'll work our way up to the more expensive ones. As you can see with this, I've already taken off the plastic. I expect these to be fairly similar just because the packaging's going to kind of be the same, and probably the accessories as well. So if you're new to the channel, you want to see the reviews of these, please go ahead and subscribe. It really helps a lot. Hit the like button. Also, if you want to be entered into our giveaway, subscribers automatically entered. Leave a comment, subscribe, and yeah, you're automatically entered into the November giveaway, which will be a $100 Linsol voucher. I'm giving away a Linsol voucher instead of an Amazon voucher just because there's a lot of people from around the world that watch this channel, and the Amazon's not available everywhere, but Linsol ship internationally. So if you want to grab something from Linsol, you get a $100 voucher if you're subscribed. Plus, in December, I'm going to give away something a little bit crazy. Maybe a couple of things in December, actually, just to say thank you for the subscribers. This channel has been growing. It's been awesome. As I always say, we focus on the comparisons here. So there's going to be individual reviews of these, but then I'm going to compare all three of them against each other. And I'm also going to compare them against, in individual videos, the actual earphones against other things in their price range. So this is probably going to go up against the TheAudio Legacy 2, that sort of price point, Shure Tape, I would expect, and then the Provence probably going head to head with the Tin Hi-Fi, and then the Shangri-La probably going up against the Timeless 7Hz, which are the sort of kings of that $200 range. If you have any suggestions, of course, leave it down below, and if you are subscribed to the channel, you're more than welcome to leave a comment down below asking for recommendations. Just tell me what sort of music you listen to and how much your budget is, and we can make personalized recommendations for you. So thank you very much. The channel has grown a lot, and let's get into these unboxings. So as I said, I've taken away the plastic from this. The boxes are identical from the outside. The only thing that you'll see is different is it will tell the series. So I think these are called the Colourful Word series. I kind of feel like this is meant to be the Colourful World series, just because they're based on Shangri-La, Barcelona, that sort of stuff. And it also tells you the model and the artwork. So each one of these is available with different artworks, I'm guessing. We'll put this off to the side, put the knife off to the side. Box, fairly simple, has a little logo on the back of it, and it has an earphone in the front, a Fearless earphone, but this is not, you can see that earphones are the exact same on every box, so this is not specifically this earphone that you're going to get in the box. Not really a problem because Fearless are going to sell these online. I don't see these going to be available in your big box retail store. Nice sleeve, I like that. For this is $118, this Barcelona, yeah. Barcelona's $118. This is some high quality packaging. I would not be surprised to see this in a $500 earphone like the TRIBRIDs. Nice packaging. Nice unboxing experience. Only thing is there's no logo on this. Little cleaning cloth, seems to be unbranded. I'll put that to the side. And damn, okay, $118. I'm just trying to think of other earphones. Okay, let's go ahead and take this out. First things first, case. Let's have a look at the case. Case is quite nice. It's probably a generic with the Fearless logo stamped on it. It's white, semi-rigid, nice little place to keep your earphones, little velvet on the inside. And a few ear tips and a cleaning tool. Not much else in the way of ear tips, so you're limited in accessories, but the inclusion of a case is really nice at this price, $118. And let's have a look at the Jesus. Okay, I didn't expect that. This cable I've seen before on more expensive earphones, and this is a really, really good cable. So that's it. That's the box, guys. I'll put that to the side. This cable is really, really good to be included on these earphones. You have the little cable tie just to keep them neatly tied up. So yeah, it's a octo braid cable going into a quad braid after the splitter. It is a standard 3.5mm headphone jack with a really chunky Fearless Audio branded metal jack point. That feels awesome. That's really nice. Strain relief on it there, really high quality thick gauge cable. Metal splitter and a metal cable cinch. It's a fantastic cable to be included on in such a low priced earphone. $118. Okay, $118. That's a really good cable. I can't think of much with that. What sort of connector do we have? We have a standard. Oh no, we have recessed. So Fearless have gone to recessed finally instead of going for the flush mounted connectors. You can see that there's a recess in there. I've been asking for this for forever. The problem for me with a flush mounted connector, like say on the The Audio, is this the Oracle? This is the Excalibur. See, it's flush mounted. There's just more of a chance of you messing up your insertion of the pins and stuff like that. More chance for water to ingress as well. This little ridge here just performs like a little bit of sealing and keeps sweat out of the ear tips themselves. Let's have a look at the earphones, and these are gorgeous. I've seen something that you've maybe not seen yet, but this is a gorgeous little faceplate design. This is the blue one. They're available, it looks like, in a pink and a neon colour as well. This is the Azure colourway. And check this. It looks like a little cocktail going on the inside. I'm assuming that's the dynamic driver, and they've decorated the dynamic driver, which is just beyond necessity. And I just $120. It is a 2 drivers, so it looks like it's got a single balanced armature in there and then a dynamic driver unit, so it's working in hybrid. And this is a gorgeous design. You can probably hear I'm a little bit taken aback by them. This looks really promising. If this sounds as good as it looks, this is going to be a good little earphone. Metal tips as well, so a little bit extra protection if you drop them, and it's got the ridge on it to stop the ear tips coming off. So that's a really good start. $118. I've not listened to them. As I say, come back, check out the full review of the sound, and yeah, like, I'm kind of blown away. I'm blown away at the absolute start of this review. Let's go ahead and put all that stuff to the side. Let's get into the Proverse. The Proverse is $138 from Linso. It's 3 drivers. I'm assuming 2 balanced armatures and a dynamic driver. Again, available in 3 different colorways called Nice, Lavender and Roan. This is the Roan version. Let me go ahead and grab my awesome little Civivi. I can't remember which Civivi this is, but people have been asking about this, and I'll put the link to it in the description. I've been using this knife for a while now, and I absolutely love it. Usually I use Spydercos. I've got the sun and the moon, but this Civivi are doing really good things with knives. And that's a cheap knife with really good materials and build quality. Super sharp out the box. Same packaging. I'm going to assume it's absolutely identical. We'll just tear through the next couple of ones to keep this video under 20 minutes. Boom, same package, exact same box, nothing different there. Open it up, same cloth. And the earphones again look really good, and we'll have a look and see if the accessories have changed. No, exact same ear tips, case. So again, still really good value. $138 on Linso. Might be available on Amazon, I would assume very soon. Exact same cable, so I'm not going to take that apart. We're just going to take the earphones themselves. So yeah, exact same cable. Again, really, really good cable for this price point. Again, recessed, and let's take a look at the earphones. Another box out of the way. And this one is even better looking, I would say. That's a stunning little faceplate. And on the inside again, we have that awesome little like slice of lime, Aztec style dynamic driver on the inside. That looks dope. That looks so good. And you can see down the bottom there, there's two balanced armatures sitting in there. So two balanced armatures and a dynamic driver in a hybrid configuration. Much the same, similar sort of design as the Barcelonas, same size, same sort of aesthetic design, same ergonomic design, but I think these are definitely nicer looking with that dark purple. It looks really, really cool. So I'm excited to listen to these ones. Really, really excited for these. Especially like we've been craving for earphones in that sort of $100 to $250 mark. So the more that come out and Fearless tune their earphones really well. So let's go Fearless Shangri-la. Shangri-la is 4 balanced armatures, 1 dynamic driver, hybrid design, and it's available in 3 colours: Horizon, which is like an orange, Canyon, which is a black, and Moraine, which is a similar sort of blue to this one here. Again, pop the Civivi. Love that action. Just make a little cut in the box. It's going to be the exact same box. I already know that. Put that to the side. Pop the top off. Put that off to the side. And exact same box, just the label different. Exact same cleaning cloth and a rather dirty. I actually think that this is the ink is coming off of this cloth. But anyway, that'll clean up with a little bit of isopropyl alcohol or something. Exact same accessories yet again, and yeah, exact same carry case. So still a nice carry case. These ones are $230, I'm guessing to accommodate for the increased driver configuration and the effort that it takes to tune them. Let's take the same cable again, which is again not a bad thing. I would see this cable on earphones up to sort of $500. I would be perfectly happy with that cable. The cable is so much better than the trash that Campfire Audio, etc. include with their earphones, and that chunky monkey right there. Only thing that's really missing here is an adapter to switch it to a balanced configuration. But these are more sort of budget focused, so somebody might not have a DAP with a balanced connector to use it with. And this is obviously the Canyon colorway. Yes, it's the Shangri-la with the Canyon colorway, and God, it's good looking as well, isn't it? Really, really good looking earphones. This Word series, I'm guessing World series might be the thing, but so I don't know if you noticed this, right? But the decoration of the driver's kind of unnecessary. It's like when you get a nice watch and you get decoration on it. Yeah, the jewels are there to help the functionality and the wearability of the watch, but with earphones, there's no real reason other than aesthetics to go ahead and decorate this, but it gives such a good, cool look. And I've got to admit, I'm a sucker for looking at my earphones, and I'm a sucker for a good looking set of earphones. I like my gear to look cool, and they've certainly gone a long way. I mean, they've done the dynamic driver customization there, but they've also added this green film around the bore tube of where the dynamic drivers fire out from, and you can see in here that there is actually 4 dynamic drivers. There's 2 stacked on the back up here, and then 2 smaller ones that you can see on the front there, and they'll be tuned for their respective frequencies, and you can actually see one of the little bore holes for the dynamic driver just coming down here. Venting, I'm just seeing, I can't really see any vents, but it might be kind of hard to see, maybe at the top there. And the only difference is that they're using a different chunkier if you can see that the actual nozzle, it's still metal, so it's still the same design, but it's kind of chunkier, and that's probably to accommodate the different bore configurations. Maybe there's 3 or 4 bore holes coming out of this. You would see it more commonly if you were using a standard resin housed CIEM or something like that, a custom earphone. You'll see the actual bore holes, but with one of these metals with a filter, it's all behind this, and I actually prefer this design. I just think it makes them a little bit sturdier, and it stops dirt from getting into them. So let's do a little shot of all 3 of them side by side. So there we go. We have the Provence on the left, we have the Barcelona in the middle, and then we have the Shangri-la on the right. And yeah, very, very, very good looking earphones. That'll be it for the unboxing video. I'm sorry it's been so long again, but that was an unboxing that I really enjoyed, because that's an earphone that I saw a picture of, and I've been really excited to see what it looks like in person. And I'm even more excited now to go ahead and test them over the next week and get the reviews out to you. So as I said, this unboxing video is going to be done sort of in advance, and I'm going to release it maybe 1 to 2 days before the actual reviews of this start coming out. I'm going to start off with the cheapest, the Barcelona. I'll release that review in the next couple of days, and then sort of every day afterwards I'll release one of the others, the Provence and the Shangri-la. So if you enjoyed that unboxing, please go ahead and subscribe. Let me know in the comments down below if you want to see me do these unboxings, because I wasn't really into doing unboxing videos, but a lot of people have been asking for them specifically. So would you prefer me not to do them on this channel, have a separate channel? Would you prefer me to do the unboxings just like this with multiple earphones all at the one time and timestamp them so that you can find it? Or would you like me to unbox each earphone individually? For me, this isn't really about increasing views and increasing revenue. It's more about giving you what you want. So if you like the unboxings, let me know down below. If you don't, then if the majority say they don't like the unboxings, I'm not going to go ahead and keep doing unboxings and pushing that on you. I'd rather keep it focused to the sound and the earphones as well. So anyway, thank you very much for watching. I will see you on the next video, which I think is going to be a review of the FiO FD7, followed by the Shanling M6 Pro and the iBasso DX300 DAPs. So don't miss out for that. And a review every day in November, reviews or comparisons. Okay, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.